Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Rituparna, and as you've read from the title, in today's video we will be doing a packing video. So I'm traveling with my family to Kashmir. So by the time this video goes live, I'll already be there. If you want real-time updates, then you should definitely follow me on Instagram. But I just thought let me make a pre-Kashmir video like before reaching there, before putting up the first vlog from there. Let me share what I'm packing with me. So I've segregated all my clothes and everything is around me, and I'll take you guys through it. But if you find this video eventually really helpful, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. So without any further ado, let's just get started. Okay guys, so I have segregated everything in these packing cubes and in this one as well. So you must be wondering, they are non-matching packing cubes. I was short of packing cubes, so this is one extra thing that I had, but these are basically all the cubes that I've already prepared. Some are around me as well. So I'm just going to take you through the packing process and stuff. So we'll be there in Kashmir for 5 days and it's going to be extremely cold. That's what our hotel people have told us. It's going to be somewhere from 2 degrees to -5 degrees. I don't know, it can go extreme as well. So we've been shopping for a lot of things for the past month so that we don't catch the cold there and enjoy everything out there fully. So I think I should start with the essentials first, like what all I'm packing, ekdam winter essentials and what I've purchased for it. So this is the packing cube. I like to segregate all my stuff into different categories, and this time मैंने एक special category बनाया है, the winter essentials category. So I'm going to take you guys through this packing cube. So as I'm opening this, I have a few thermals. These ones I got from Marks and Spencer, and they are really warm and really thin, so perfect for layering. Now I have to be very honest with you, these are not the cheapest thermals out there, because each one was costing me around 2k or 1500, but honestly they're worth the money because they will save you from the extreme cold and stuff. But yeah, I'm yet to test these out because Delhi mein aisa weather nahi hota that I need to wear thermals that as such. Delhi winters I can handle with a sweater also. But yeah, thermals are a must when you're going to places like Kashmir, which can have -3. So these are 2 thermals I'm carrying. Apart from that, I also have this top. So basically this is a base layer top which I got from Decathlon years ago, and it keeps you really warm. अंदर इसकी ना एक fleece lining भी है, so it helps a lot. So yeah, this is the top I'm carrying, perfect for layering under sweaters and stuff. So this is another top, I'll fold it later. And uske baad I'm carrying a bunch of beanies and headscarves and stuff. So I'm carrying around 4, and I have 2 here, and I don't know baki 2 मैंने कहाँ डाले हुए, but I've shoved them somewhere in my luggage. So I have these. They're very neutral color beanies, so they'll go with every outfit. And then I have this leggings, like warmer leggings, pants, and these also I got from Marks and Spencer. These were also very expensive, but honestly they are so soft and they are so thin, they'll do the job perfectly. So this is kind of my winter essentials bag, and I do have other winter essentials, but this is like my base winter essential which I absolutely need. So let's move on to the next cube. So guys, the next cube that I have that I can find is this one, which is my lowers wala cube. So I'm not carrying a lot of lowers. I'm wearing one joggers, and then I'm carrying just 2 with me, one jeans and one more neutral colored lower, because luggage limits, and also winter clothes, they tend to take a lot of space in your luggage. So I'm carrying like very neutral and basic colors which I can pair with other sweaters and stuff that I'm carrying. So this is the next one. Now, which cube is this? Okay, the mismatch cube that I have right here is, it basically has all my t-shirts. So the thing is, it's going to be very funny, but a lot of people, what they do is they wear their warmers and then they wear their sweaters over it. and मुझे पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे एक superstition है that it will not provide me maximum warmth. So what I tend to do is that I put a t-shirt in between. I can be wrong, and I know it is totally illogical, but somehow I just feel like doing that. So I'm just carrying 2 t-shirts. I'm not carrying a lot because I am carrying a lot of sweaters and stuff, and then I have some socks over here. Sorry, and this cube basically has all my nightwear. I'm sorry for the background noise, lot of commotion outside. So yeah, that's this cube here. Let me see the next cube. Okay, the next cube that I have is this giant cube which contains all my sweaters, and there are a lot of sweaters. So I'm not overpacking. Usually I tend to carry 1 or 2 extra pieces, but this time around I'm thinking, you know, just pack as much as necessary and not pack a lot, because as I told you earlier, winter clothes tend to take a lot of space. So yeah, this is all that I'm carrying when it comes to clothes. Let me just see around, and then I have 2 more cubes, but they have basically my laundry and stuff, nothing to show here. And also I'm carrying a very thick stole with me, so I'll go through the stole bag also. So this is my stole bag, and इसमें सिर्फ एक motu stole है which I can wrap around my neck like this. Yeah, I can just, you know, take it around like this and prevent myself from extreme cold. You might be thinking that I'm wearing a t-shirt and I'm filming all of this, but I can sustain Delhi cold, but not the cold that's going to happen there in Kashmir or in Ladakh for that matter. So this looks very stylish. I don't know how I'm looking right now, but yeah, this is the stole that I'm carrying. So this is all that I'm carrying from clothes perspective. Now next, let's move on to shoes. So actually the thing is that when we were shopping for shoes, I already have trekking slash waterproof shoes, but my parents and my sister was not having one. They were not having one, so they basically bought, and coincidentally hum sabka shoe size is almost the same, so we're gonna interchange shoes and wear there. But my mom ki shoes are not here currently, but they are actually the cutest. So I'm gonna just show you the shoes that I have with me currently. All the shoes I bought are from Decathlon, and so these are the oldest shoes, and these were around 2500 when I got them, and these have been with me for almost 2 or 3 years now, and they are really pretty and beautiful shoes. Abhi Decathlon mein currently there's one more color available in this. It's an olive green color which I absolutely love as well, and I thought that I'm gonna buy those also, but space issues at house. So these are the first pair of shoes that I'll be carrying. I'll be basically wearing these to the airport. Then the next pair of shoes that I have are these ones, and these are proper winter boots, winter fleece wale boots. So abhi tak tag bhi nahi kaata hai meri behan ne. So these my sister bought, but coincidentally we have the same shoe size in these, so I'm gonna wear them too. But as you can see, they have fleece inside of them, which is absolutely warm, so perfect for your winter treks and stuff. So and these were around 2k or 2500. I'm not really sure how much these ones were for, but they were in the same range, and they are really pretty and beautiful in a neutral color, which I absolutely love. Okay guys, I completely forgot to show the jackets and some other miscellaneous item that I've bought. So these are the hand gloves that my sister and I bought for traveling. So these ones, both these ones are from H&M. So this one retailed for around 600 bucks and this one retailed for around 700 bucks, and they are super cute and functional. So I'm going to show you. Like, you just have to put your hand in this, and then voila, your thumb comes out, so you can basically use your phones really nice and easy without them falling off from your hands and stuff. But obviously these will not protect us from extreme cold, so we did buy some extreme wale gloves also from Decathlon, which I'm going to show you right now. So guys, these are the ones which I bought from Decathlon, and they are very, you know, like these and I really don't like these kind of gloves because they just don't match my style and vibe and stuff, but because we are going at a very cold place, so we need these. And these ones for around 1200 I guess, I'm not really sure, but हाँ ये 1200 types के थे. So just in case if you guys feel like shopping anything from whatever I've showed, I'm going to link everything in the description box below, so you can go ahead and shop from there. But these were for 1200, and even my mom and dad got similar gloves in probably different colors. I don't even remember that now. But my sister got a very crazy deal because she has smaller hands, so she got them from the kids department, and they're way cuter. I can't find them right now, but they're way cuter and even cheaper. They were for like 700 or 800 rupees. So yeah. Now next, let's move on to jackets. So guys, now moving on to jackets, and this is the first jacket that I have to show you guys. I got this from H&M. So funny story, I was not planning to buy any jacket for this trip because I already have two. I have one in black and one in grey. I always invest in very neutral colors when it comes to jackets and stuff. But one of my friends, she messaged me and she said, Ritu, yaar, sari photos are in those two jackets only, so buy a colorful one because vibrant lagti hai fir photos. And literally that comment stuck to my head and I was like, okay. And then I went to Uniqlo because Uniqlo has some really crazy colors, but obviously it's very expensive because their jackets are for 7 or 8 thousand, and it is literally expensive. So I just thought, let's not invest in a jacket for 7 and 8 thousand, and let's settle for something a little bit cheaper but a little cuter, which is this one, which I got from H&M. So sorry, इसमें भी tag अभी निकाला नहीं है, but this one was for 3,000. It's a puffer jacket. It's really cute. मैंने इसको किसी तरह थोड़ा सा पैक करके रखा है, so I don't intend to open it. But this is the first jacket that I'm carrying. The next jacket I'm carrying is this one, which I got from Decathlon, and this is about 2 years or 3 years old. So this one is a -3 jacket, and it's extremely warm and extremely thin. You can just compress it and it will fit into your suitcase, and it's a really nice jacket. So guys, this is the next jacket that I'm carrying. It's a neutral black jacket, and this is the jacket I wear the most. I wear this to my work and I wear this to all places and stuff. This is a really nice jacket I got from Only. This one was also for 4,000, I guess, and it's not a new purchase, it's an old purchase. It's almost a year old now, or maybe more than that, but I absolutely love this jacket, and yeah, it just goes with everything. You guys, so this is all the clothing and the shoe items that I'm going to carry. Apart from this, I'm also going to be carrying some skincare items, but I've posted a recent YouTube short, so you can go check it out here at the eye, and some makeup which I haven't sorted yet, but I'm not going to be carrying a lot of makeup, like really as minimal as possible. But the next thing that I have to show you is my gadget bag. So this is the gadget bag that I got from Amazon, which I absolutely love. So this has a lot of compartments. Let me just open it up and show you without spilling anything. So this is what it looks like from the inside, and these inserts are all removable. So this has, you know, wires and stuff. You can keep your wires and stuff over here. So it's very easy to carry your chargers and your camera chargers, camera batteries and everything in this without losing anything. So currently, if I'm going to take you through what I have in this is, यहाँ पे मैंने छोटा सा corner बना रखा है अपने camera के लिए, but this I usually keep my camera here when I'm at home because it's just it stays like this at my home. But when I'm traveling, I don't intend to keep my camera here. But apart from that, I have my camera ka lens here. I have this audio thing which goes on the camera. And then I have this power bank which is from Umbrane. I got it recently because my power bank kharab ho gaya tha. And then I have some batteries and stuff like that. And I would highly recommend investing in this one if you carry a lot of chargers, and you know, यहाँ पे आप laptop chargers वगैरह भी बहुत आराम से घुसा सकते हो, and it's going to keep everything very organized. And security check-in के time पे, it is such a breather because you just have to take this out from your bag and put it there in the tray, and then you can keep it back in your bag, and it's just very you know, organized. So yeah, this is what my gadget bag looks like. Apart from this, I don't know, I think this is mostly what I'm going to be carrying. Apart from this, I do have a carry-on bag with me in which this bag will go, and a few in-flight skincare essentials. I might put up a shorts regarding that for you guys, so stay tuned for that. So since I've shown you everything, now let's get to the packing process. I'm going to show you my suitcase because I've recently bought one and it's absolutely cute. This is a suitcase that I recently bought. This is from Nasher Miles, and I got this from Amazon, and I got a really great deal on this because even 3,000 ke under mil gaya. So next I'm going to just insert a time lapse of me packing the stuff that I just showed you. So guys, I hope you like this video and it inspired you to travel to a winter wonderland. I know I messed up a lot in this one, but I hope you like this anyways. So if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because a lot of Kashmir content is gonna come up on my channel real soon. And if you guys want daily updates, then head over to my Instagram, follow me there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.